Now see, here is another calculation, and the question is, assume there are 4 families in a country. The average income of these families is 5,000 rupees 5,000. If the income of 3 families is rupees 4,000, rupees 7,000 and rupees 3,000 respectively, what is the income of 4th family? So as we all know, average income is equal to total income divided by total population, right? Suppose income of the 4th family is equal to X. Because we don't know what is the income of 4th family, it is question only. So suppose it is X, right? So average income 5,000, we all know average income 5,000 is equal to 4,000 plus 7,000 plus 3,000 plus X, because we don't know the income of the 4th family, divided by 4. Why? Because there are 4th family. We know कि total income divided by total population. Here population is 4, so total income divided by total population. So that is 4,000 plus 7,000 plus 3,000 plus X divided by 4 is equal to 5,000. Okay. Then 4,000 plus 7,000 plus 3,000 plus X is equal to 20,000. 5 4s are 20, that is 20,000. Then 14,000 plus X is equal to 20,000. Then X is equal to 20,000 minus 14,000, that will be 6,000. So the income of 4th family is rupees 6,000. There is one more criteria that you all know, that is HDI or Human Development Index, and it is a statistical tool used to measure a country's overall achievement in its social and economic dimensions. The social and economic dimensions of a country are based on the health of people, level of education and standard of living. Now Pakistani economist Mehboob-ul-Haq created HDI in 1990, which was further used to measure the country's development by the United Nations Development Programme, that is UNDP, and it is based on HDI. Every year UNDP ranks countries based on the HDI report released in their annual report. So they release this annual report which ranks countries according to their criteria. You should know the parameters of Human Development Index, that is literacy rate, infant mortality rate, access to clean drinking water, standard of life, body mass index, all you know, like BMI. BMI is equal to weight in kg divided by height in meter square, and then a life expectancy of the citizen, and last one is health facilities. And what will come? The public facilities and sustainable development. In our previous class we have learnt in detail about these 2 topics, and hope it is clear. Read your NCERT book line by line. Watch these videos attentively. I think there will be no doubts. Still, if any, I am always there. Thanks to you all. Have a nice day.